This video is going to be a 5-minute introduction to ArchiCAD Release 19 for beginners. We'll go to File, New, and we're going to select the ArchiCAD 19 residential template, and we'll create a new project. Then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the exterior walls of the building. So we'll click on Wall. We'll change the width of the walls to 6 inches. And we're going to hover over this point, click, point to the right, type 20, then point upwards, type 10, then to the right, type 16, then down, type 10, and then to the right, type 20, and then up 30, and then we'll look for that intersection here and then click at the starting point. Then in the next step, we're going to click on Window. We're going to go to the settings dialog for Windows. We will select a fixed window and we'll change the width to 4, the height to 6, and the header height to 8 feet. Then we will specify some mountains to make them French windows, and then we'll change the horizontal number of lights to 3 and the vertical number of lights to 2. And we'll click OK. Then we're going to go to View, and we will go to Snap Options, and we'll use the distance option. So that should be fine. Make sure that it's 2 feet. Then we will zoom in here, and we will click there between those grid lines, and then click on the bottom right hand side arrow that tells the program what the exterior or interior of the window is, and whether it's a left-hander or right-handed window, which in this case doesn't matter because it's a symmetrical window, but it still needs one click in order to stick. Then we're going to add a door, and we're going to put a door. First, we're going to select the type of door that we want. We'll use a double egress door. We'll change the width to 6 and the height to 8, and we'll change the construction method to be based on a proportion out of fixed height of one of the leaves, and then 50. And let's have a little bit of fun here and also pick a different, less boring slab for the entry. So there, and then let's click OK. And then we're going to put this right at the center there. Oh, and this is a double opposing door, which is fine. So there, we're going to select it here, and then we're going to right click on Stories, click on Edit Elements by Stories, and we're going to copy from the first floor to the second floor. And we're basically copying everything. So click OK. Then we've automatically been taken to the second floor. So here we're going to click on the arrow, and we're going to select this door and delete it. And instead we're gonna insert a specialty window. So we'll click on Settings dialog for Windows. We're going to select Special Windows. We'll select a round fixed window. We'll add 2 lights wide by 2 lights high, and we'll make the width 4 feet and the header height 8, and we'll click on OK. And then we're going to place this right at the center here and select the arrow, the direction. And in the final step, we're going to create a roof, and we want to associate the roof with the second floor, and we're going to put it 10 feet above the ground, the floor elevation level. And here we'll hover over this point, capture it, and then click, and then we'll traverse in a counterclockwise direction around the exterior of the building, which will define the footprint of the roof. Here, here, and then back to the beginning, and then let's look at this in 3D, and there it is.